Welcome back. Today I will solve some problem of AP. Question number 8 in exercise 5.3. Exercise 5.3. So question number 8, find the sum of first 15 terms of an AP whose second terms A2 is equal to 14. So A plus D is equal to 14. Now let equation first. And also third term is 18. So A3 is equal to 18. So A plus 2D is equal to 18. Now let equation second. Now these first and second subtract each other. Now A plus D is equal to 14. Now subtract these plus, so subtract these equation. Now A cancel out same way. So 2D minus D is equal to D, and also 18 minus 14 is equal to 4. Now put D is equal to 4 in equation first. So first equation A plus D is equal to 14 and A plus D mean 4 is equal to 14. Now A is equal to 14 minus 4 is equal to 10. A is equal to 10. So A is equal to 10 and D is equal to 4. N is equal to 51. Now yes, 51 is equal to n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So now put here 51 upon 2 into a for 10 and plus 51 minus 1 into d for 4. So 51 divided by 2, 20 plus 50 into 4. So 51 upon 2 is equal to 20 plus 200. So 51 upon 2 multiply by 220. So 110. 51 into 110. So 0, 11, 1. So 55, 1, 6, 6, 5, 6. So this is answer of 51 terms. Sum of 51 terms 5610. And also you can solve question number 9 if the sum of 7 terms of an AP is 49 and that of 17 term is 289. Find the sum of first n term. So now let us start. So sum of first S7 is equal to 49. So Sn is equal to n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S7 is equal to 7 upon 2a plus 7 minus 1 into d. So S7 means 49 is equal to 7 upon 2, 2a plus 6d. So to common out 7 upon 2 multiply by 2 a plus 3d. So 2 cancel out 49. So 49 divided by 7 is equal to a plus 3d. So 7 divided by 49. So 7 is equal to a plus 3d. So a plus 3d is equal to 7. Now let equation first. Again that of first 7 terms. So S17 is equal to 289. So now S17 is equal to 17 upon 2 in bracket 2a plus 17 minus 1 into d. So S70 289 is equal to 17 upon 2 2a plus 16d. So to common out 17 upon 2 into 2 a plus 8d. So 289. 2 cancel out. 289 divided by 17 is equal to a plus 8d. So 17. So a plus 8d is equal to 17. Let equation second. Now let equation first and second you can solve and find out a plus a and d. Now a plus 8d is equal to 17 equation second, and a plus 3d is equal to 7 equation first. Now subtract each other, minus minus minus. So a cancel out by elimination method. So 5d is equal to 10. So d is equal to 2, and put d is equal to 2 in equation first. So a plus 3d is equal to 7. A plus 3 into 2 is equal to 7. So a plus 6 is equal to 7. A is equal to 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. A is equal to 1. A is equal to 1 and d is equal to 2 and n terms. So now n terms, Sn is equal to n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So Sn now n by 2 into a for 1 plus n minus 1 into d for 2. Now n by 2 plus multiply by this bracket 2n minus 2. So 2 cancel out, n upon 2 into 2n. So 2 cancel out, n into n is equal to n square. So Sn is equal to n square. This is answer. Now question number 10. Show that A1, A2, A3 dot dot AN farm and AP, where AN is defined as below. First, AN is equal to 3 plus 4n, and second part AN is equal to 9 minus 5n. So also find the sum of first 15 terms. Now solution of this question. So first term A1, A2, A3 dot dot AN form the AP whose n defined by AN. So AN first part AN is equal to 3 plus 4n. Now find term of AP. So n is equal to 1. So A1 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 1 is equal to 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. And now n is equal to 2. A2 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 2 is equal to 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. Now n is equal to 3. So A3 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 3 is equal to 3 plus 12 is equal to 15. So now AP, term of AP 7, 11, 15 dot dot so on. So first term A is equal to 7 and D is equal to 11. Second term minus first term is equal to 4. And also whose defined as this, and also find the sum of first 15 terms. So n is equal to 15. Now Sn is equal to n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S15 is equal to 15 upon 2 into a 7 plus n 15 minus 1 into d for 4. So S15 is equal to 15 upon 2 into 14 plus 14 into 4. So 15 upon 2, 14 plus 56. So 6, 4, 10, 5, 6, 7, 70. So 15 upon 2 into 17. So 35. So 15 into 35 is 15. So 15, 5, 75, 45, 5, 52. So S15 is equal to 525. This is answer. And second part you can solve, do yourself. Thanks. देखो